Do you like her, Christopher? She's been in our house for a long time now, hasn't she? 6 months. Do you remember when she was teeny tiny? Huh? Do you remember when she was 6 months? That's half of a year. She's 1/2 a year old. She's not 1 yet. She's 1/2 of a year. She's halfway to being 1. In 6 more months, she'll have a birthday.
When it's 6. What if when she did the models or something to tiny?
Like the kangaroo in the picture?
Yeah,
yeah,
tiny.
they're tiny.
Yeah, tiny.
And she'd be like, honey, I shrunk the kids, huh?